Hello guys, the first time I did this video I accidentally added 2 soundtracks, so I'm just gonna remake this video. The other video will probably be taken down. Well, not by YouTube, by me, but... So first, just a quick tutorial on Azeron. So, first, to set up your macro keys, is, I'm gonna get my keybinds. The first thing you want to do is get your keybinds ready. If you already have them, just skip this part. But you just click the buttons, and then you can see which button is which. So first, I want to make this my stair button. So I go over here. So I want to make this my wall button. So I press. So this Z, X, and C are my buttons. So this will be Z. This will be X. And this will be C. So I just want to make this 4. Make this R. Just, you know. This is my button. So reload. So this is my my 4th slot. So I want to switch to my 4th slot right here. Just probably want to get used to your buttons. Okay, so now to the main part of the video is setting up macro keys. So macro keys are obviously just a quick way to do stuff. Yeah, no kidding. But first thing you want to do is you can only do this on profiles. Go to your macro setting, and I'm just gonna do an edit macro, which can literally make you edit in like a second. So now I will have macro. So first I want to test out regulator. So I wanted to press F, and then F. So I wanted to press. So when I place the wall, I wanted to press F, click, F and click, and then I can just do that a million times. So it's F and a mouse click. I'm gonna delete this. So it's F, mouse click, hold on for 2 seconds. On repeat while held down. Usually, yeah, obviously you want to do like a little delay, but if you want the fastest macro, then don't do the delay. So this is the fastest macro you can get. Well, maybe not the fastest, but that thing is fast. So if you want to make a wall invisible, which is maybe what came here for, first switch your material. Do this. Hold it down for a little bit. Now the wall's invisible. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. That's how to set up your Azeron macro. And hopefully it works for you. If it doesn't, then probably did something wrong because it worked for me. But yeah. You can set up all kinds of macro. So my crouch button is not currently set. This is, I guess, also C. Let me change that. So I'm going to make a crouch macro. First, control. Bam. This is crouch. Now I gotta go to this. And then I'm going to maybe not set that one as it, but I'm gonna set this one as a crouch macro right here, P. First, I want it to be a button, and I want that button to be control. I'm gonna make sure. 1 second. 1 second. That button, control. So I wanted to press control, and then again control for 2 seconds. And also make sure if to set the delay to set like 1 and then 2, because I think Fortnite can detect if it's all just 1. But yeah. Let's hope someone did not do that before. So obviously, as you see a little error here, it's doing that. So basically, now what you can do is go to your Azeron, and then go to the macro. First thing you want to do is just make this delay, 1000 milliseconds. How about that? that make this control, and then 2. So now, this might work. Yep, see? And it doesn't even stand up because it's... Yeah, maybe just make that like 500 to split this in half. So I'm going to make this 500 milliseconds. So now... Yeah, so you got a little crouch macro. You can build. So you wanna crouch up and down. Wanna do this? Even though my head will still be shown. Okay, it's not that good. But yeah, and then you wanna get really fast macro. I've trolled with this macro like a million times, but it's very fast. And what I mean, like very fast, like let me take out my pickaxe. You can barely even see it move. Oh yeah, you can still see it move. Look at this, my dude's hands are broken. He sacrificed his arms for this. That doesn't deserve a sub. Then I don't know what it does. But obviously that macro, if you did that, if you did that without this macro, you definitely get carpal tunnel. So that's probably why you want macro. So this is your fast edits before. This is your fast edits after. So yeah, that is the video. And basically crouch macro. You can do many other things with macro. It's not only like you know, edit macro and crouch macro. You can do a lot of stuff with macro. Say when I press this down, I want it to shoot. Boom, you just go to your macro settings, mouse click. Hold that down for 1 second. So it just shoot 1 time. Maybe you want it to spray. Maybe you want this to spray. So maybe not all of your shots. So take this, put it down maybe at like 30 seconds. Okay, that is probably way too much. 15 seconds. Okay, hold on. I want to mouse click a million times. Okay, let's just add maybe a few mouse clicks then. Apparently, oh, that's 15 milliseconds. Okay, maybe hold that down for 100, not Q100. Hold that down for 100 milliseconds. There. How about that? Okay, that was probably too much. I mean, it works, but still. Okay, 1,000 milliseconds. Can I at least get 2 shots off? Yep. It's kind of just a quick shot. So basically, you press that 3 times, and boom, you're out. So it can do a lot of stuff like this. Just sometimes you want to make sure. Sorry if I keep on opening my map. Usually the map button is my reload button. You can do this. You can do this. What the? You can do this. Puts it down 2 times. It auto destroys the wall. Not really auto destroys it. It just destroys it. But yeah. There's some other cool settings you can do on this. You can change the LED lightings on the side. There's not, I mean, it's still kind of cool, but I mean, LEDs, you obviously can't see that, but yeah, you could also turn off your LEDs, which I don't know why you would, because then you know if your thing is on. But yes, this is the video. I hope it taught you how to do macro keys. and bye.